Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to use Omegle. So if you want to use Omegle, first of all open up your Chrome browser or any browser you like and then search for Omegle. So after searching for Omegle, search for Omegle Talk to Strangers. After finding that option, just open up that website and then tap on Start a Chat. And then you have to enter your username for Omegle. After entering your username, tap on Start Chat and you will successfully chat with someone else on this Omegle website. Or the other way is, just go back and open up your Play Store application. After opening your Play Store application, search for Omegle. After opening your Play Store application, you can simply search for Omegle TV. After searching for Omegle TV, you can find the first option, Omegle TV. Just tap on Install. After installing the Omegle application, just open that application. And then you can log in with your Facebook account or sign in with your VK account. So just log in with your Facebook account and you're ready to go. So this is how you use Omegle. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.